Let me show you how you can make a super quick, easy beef gochujang stir fry. Let's go. Hello and welcome to Gate in the Kitchen. Sorry for screaming at you there. I had to wake you up. Anyway, today we're going to be making a special, quick, easy gochujang beef stir fry. Super simple, super easy. First, I'm going to talk you through the ingredients we have, so make sure you've got these before you start. So from the left, we've got honey. You're only going to need a teaspoon. We've got ginger and garlic paste, of course, your beef mince. We've got green beans. We've got some noodles, some egg noodles, dried. We've got a mix of coleslaw. Yes, you can use the traditional stir-fry mix in the supermarket, but we find this is more of what we like and less of what we don't like. So we tend to just use the coleslaw stir-fry. There's a tip for you guys. We've got some gochujang paste here, ketchup mayonnaise, and no more ketchup. Ketchup mayonnaise is just a sweetened version of ketchup. You don't have to get ketchup mayonnaise. You can just add a bit more honey, a bit more sugar. And then we've got some toasted sesame seeds here as well. Then we've got ketchup, which should be a staple in everyone's house. And then mirin, this is optional. If you have it, great. If you don't, it's fine. Don't worry about it. You can just use normal vinegar. Let's go. Okay, first things you're gonna wanna do, you wanna get your wok. You're gonna need a wok. You can use a normal frying pan, but it's not as good as a wok. So I would recommend you get a wok, add some oil to that, and then heat it up as high as it goes. So I've just got here some sunflower oil. Make sure your oil is a high smoke point oil. You're not gonna use olive oil. That would be a terrible, terrible idea. It's just gonna smoke all over the place. And apparently, overheated olive oil is actually bad for you. Didn't know that. Now you do. While that comes up to heat, grab yourself a saucepan and boil a kettle and fill that. This is to boil our noodles. You can, I guess you can put cold water in. If you don't have a kettle, you're an American, you can just fill this with water and let it come to a boil the slow way. But here in Britain, we're gonna use our kettle. Now that the pan is, woo, that was nearly a disaster, wasn't it? Nearly poured the whole damn thing on the floor. You want to add 240 grams of minced meat straight in there. Let it sizzle, wash your hands. You want to start breaking that up. Now here's the top tip. When you have a little bit of pink left at the top, you want to season this. Don't wait for it to close, because then, I don't know, I have this weird theory that once it's closed, the seasoning isn't going in. You want to season it now. Now seasoning is nice and simple, guys. 1 teaspoon of chicken salt. Yes, chicken salt on beef. Then we've got MSG. Again, 1 teaspoon in there. We never cook without our smoked paprika, guys. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika straight in there. And then 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs straight in there as well. Just gonna do a little sprinkle of salt. Just a small amount, optional, you can omit that. And then a sprinkle of black pepper. Again, optional, you can omit that. Now we give it a stir. Now's a good time to get your noodles on. So, oiled kettle, straight on there. We're gonna let that come back to a boil. And then season generously with salt. Now at this point, trim your green beans. So once your generously seasoned water is boiling, you want to add 125 grams of your dry noodles straight in there. Now these are going to cook so quick, there's no point hanging around, okay? And then we've got 80 grams of our trimmed and chopped. These are only like, they're chopped into basically half, green beans. They can go straight in there as well with the noodles. And again, this will cook super, super, super quick. There's a lot of excess oil here, as you can see. The easiest way to get rid of it is to grab yourself some paper towels and then just place that in the corner like so. Watch your fingers, be careful. and it should just absorb beautifully. Now we don't want to get rid of all the oil because it is a stir fry. You can if you want, but you don't have to. You shouldn't have to. I mean, come on. Oil carries a lot of flavor. I'm gonna turn the heat off on our noodles because they're probably about done. It's only been about a minute, but they're probably about done. That's more than enough. So we'll turn that off and we'll leave it on the side to cook some more. To our beef, we're gonna add about 1 teaspoon of ginger, and again about 1 teaspoon of garlic. In goes our ketchup mayonnaise. It's about 25 grams going in. And the ketchup again, about 25 mils or 25 grams going in. Now the best thing about this stir fry, you can do it without the beef and just have vegetables and it will be equally as delicious. Then you want to add your gochujang, the star of the show. This is about 50 grams going straight in. About 1 teaspoon of honey. You want to get this nice and sweet. Imagine a Korean fried chicken, but in the form of noodles. Oh boy, this is going to be delicious. Just look at all that flavor, guys. Isn't that incredible? Then equally, you want about 1 teaspoon of ketchup in there. This should make the Koreans happy, but I'm not too sure. You never know with cuisines from different countries. But yeah, if we have any Koreans in the fan, please let me know. How am I doing so far? This is not an authentic Korean dish, but what do you think of my way of, and about 1 teaspoon of mirin, very optional going in. Then you add your vegetables. That was about 120 grams of coleslaw going in there. No need to drain, just get some tongs and then take them straight out into your stir fry. And then stir. Oh, doesn't that look delicious, guys? Oh, that gochujang is really giving. Like, it's giving. Oh, I only wish you guys could smell this right now. Jeez Louise. It's quick, easy, and it's gonna be delicious. Okay, this is ideal for after work when you want to just put some things together and enjoy a nice meal. This is it, guys. And then finish it off with a nice squeeze of half a lemon. All that's left to do is to sprinkle this with sesame. Oh dear Lord, look at that, guys. That looks good. You can put as much sesame on as you want. Enjoy yourself. And there you have it. A nice, easy, quick and delicious way to make beef gochujang stir fry with egg noodles. If you've enjoyed what you saw today, if you liked what you saw, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and a comment. A comment goes a long way for us, guys. We love comments. But yes, we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I